Hey, just a quick video here. I bought this trailer. These are the factory tail lights. This one had been replaced before I got the trailer. So you had 3 tail lights like those, and then this oddball. I've already replaced this one, so I'm going to change those 2 out. They just snap in. They call them theft deterrent, because if you pop them out, they break. Doesn't break the light, but just a trim ring. It's just plastic. See, that's the old one from over here. New trim ring, new light. There you go, it just snaps in. Pretty simple. Just unplug it. See what I can. I don't even know where. Alright, let's come back and spin back around. Alright. Try to line the grow names up. There we go. And then just get her lined up. That's what this block of wood here. All right. There you go. Got a little, see, that one's straight. See how the two, this one here is a little, son of a gun. It's gonna bug me, but you know what? Too bad. Look at that, didn't break. I could reuse that. That looks a whole lot better. It's barely noticeable. This one. Pretty simple. There you go. Thanks for watching. I know it was exciting.